Hello, group number 3. So for today's Literacy Center, we're going to be recalling and thinking back to the story that I read out loud for you all, Little Turtle and the Changing Sea. Do we remember the story? So when I was reading the story out loud for you all, I turned to this page here and I said, what about this picture is different in the ocean? What is shown in this picture that makes it different to Little Turtle? And we all said the plastic bags and the plastic bottles. That's correct. And I asked you all, do those items belong in the ocean? And we all said what? We said, no, they don't. So today we're going to be learning about how we can keep those items out of the ocean. So for today's Literacy Center, the activity I have planned for you all is going to be 5 steps. I'm going to give you all this worksheet that has every step outlined. So let's start with step number 1. Step number 1 is going to be to read the passage, the 3 R's, the plastic problem, and how does garbage get into the ocean. You're going to read those 3 passages, and then from that information, you're going to be doing step number 2. Step number 2 is to read your 3 definition cards, and the clues in the text are going to help you understand what definition matches to what word. So read those definition cards and look back in your text and think, what word does this match with? You're going to be matching them to the words reduce, reuse, or recycle. So you're going to think, what word does that match with? So you're going to put the definition next to the bin there that you have. And that's step number 2. Step number 3 is you are collectively all going to share this bag of goodies that I have for you all. And you're going to go through this bag of goodies and you're going to see what's in it. You're going to see that there's pieces of foam, there's paper, there's plastic water bottles, clothes hangers, cardboard. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. You could even use the bag itself. The bag itself is something you can sort as well. So you're going to be taking all of these items and you're going to be putting it in the bin that you think it fits best in. Can that item be reduced, reused, or recycled? That's step number 3. Step number 4 is you all are going to look at this table and it has the words reduced, reused, recycle. And you're going to write down the item that you put in each bin. So if you took that water bottle and you thought, I think I could reuse this. You're going to write water bottle under reuse. And you're going to do that for every object that you put in the bins. That's step number 4. Lastly, step number 5 is you're going to write a few sentences about what you can do every day to help save the ocean from pollution and help sea turtles like our friend Little Turtle. So you're going to write a few sentences here on what you can do every day to keep those objects out of the ocean. All right, class? I want you to work together as a group and help each other, but if you have any questions, just raise your hand. Do we all understand what we're doing? So for this Literacy Center, I have it chosen for low-level readers. That is because we are dealing with some vocabulary words that are rather simplistic. The 3 passages that I have planned for my low-level readers are the 3 R's, the plastic problem, and how does garbage get into the ocean. Reduce, reuse, recycle are the vocabulary words used along with the word recycling, biodegradable, and landfills. So students can use that information to gain a little bit more knowledge on what objects can be sorted into what bins. I have the standard set to use information gained from the illustrations and words in print or digital text to demonstrate understanding and its character, setting, or plot. So students will be using the illustrations from the book that they'll have with them, but also on the handout I have a picture from the book itself showing students the plastic bottles, the plastic bags, and the objects that they will be physically handling in the activity are shown in the picture as well. And they're going to use that information on what can be done to keep it out of the ocean to help turtles, such as little turtle. So that is what I have planned for my low-level readers for our literacy circles.